Play games and get paid. Play games and get your money in Bitcoin or USDT. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how you can get paid by playing games online on this particular app especially, and you will get paid in Bitcoin. And I'm going to walk you through how you can get your first money in 10 minutes using this particular app. As you can see here, the minimum amount of money you can withdraw is 0.05 in USDT, and then the minimum amount of money you can withdraw in Bitcoin is 0.03 dollars. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get your first money playing games on this site. But before we go, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online. If you are new here and you want to be getting notifications for my new video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and smash the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section. And also, I'm on my road to hit 200 subscribers in the month of April, and I believe you can help me do so. So let's dive into the video. I will be showing you how you can earn your first money on this app, and I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to make money. The first way to earn is by showing you how you can get your first 500 coins on this app, and then you get it instantly, and it is meant for every new users. So the first thing to do is click on the link in the description of this video. After you click on it, it will take you to Play Store, because I'm not allowed to do that because I can't have multiple accounts, because I will have to delete this app then before I can start all over again. But let me explain to you. So when you click on the link in the description below, then it will take you to Play Store. After taking you to Play Store, it will let you download this particular app, and after downloading it, then sign up with your Gmail address. So your Gmail account rather. After signing up with your Gmail account, then you will get your first 100 coins. After getting your first 100 coins, then you will have to click on this floating ball here. When you click on it, then it will take you to where you are going to scratch and win a particular card, where you will earn 399 coins. After winning it, because I've already claimed mine, that is why it is showing like this. So after getting that, then you will have to click on playtime games. After clicking on playtime games, know that we want to actually earn money by playing games here. So what you have to do is click on play now. You can see it says that up to 2,198 coins you can win it on this app, and anytime you spend 1 minute playing games on this app, you get 34 coins playing this on this app. So what you have to do is you have to click on play now, then it will take you to Play Store. To take you to Play Store, then you can see it will take you to Play Store. After taking you to Play Store, then you will start using the app to play games. So every 1 minute you spend on the app, you will start getting paid in dollars. You start getting your coins. So after getting your coins and you've already reached the minimum threshold, you can actually do this in 10 minutes and you will cash out on this particular website, and people are really making money from it. So you can earn money via USDT, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And mind you, you must have a Binance crypto wallet. Like this app only supports Binance, so you must have Binance account. So what you have to do is you have to, if you have already reached 500 coins, because 500 coins equals to $0.05, but you have your $499 without even doing anything on this app. So what you have to do is, when you have already reached the minimum threshold, which is 500 coins, so if I want to earn more now, I will just click on that playing games, and then I will start earning money for myself. So in the first 1 minute I spend on that app, so I'm going to get 34 coins. So what you have to do is just go there and then play games, then have more coins for yourself. So when you have already reached $500 coins, you just have to enter your email address. Just have to enter your Binance email address and then submit request. Within 24 hours, you will get your money sitting pretty in your Binance wallet. So let's move further again. So what you have to do is, after playing games, then you'll be able to refer people, and then you can do app task by downloading app. But you cannot do it now because I have not downloaded any app games app for myself. So what you have to do is just click on after you've already played one game and you already downloaded the app, then you'll be able to do tasks, because now you cannot do app tasks until you download at least one game and start playing on it. And you can also take surveys on this app, and this is how you can actually earn money on this particular app. And mind you, you can earn that money multiple times every day, and you can earn within 10 to 5 minutes on this particular app. You can start now, in the next 30 minutes you will earn up to 1,000 coins. So what you have to do is just jump on it and start making money. Remember that I'm always rooting for you, so root for yourself this time around. And I hope you have been able to get value from this video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button too if you are yet to do that. So I'll see you in my next video.